What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Revit Rishi. Going through YouTube and I saw so many videos saying that Colgate actually removes scratch from their bike. I thought, why not give it a try from my own bike, which is pretty old and it has a lot of scratches. The bike, it is a Yamaha FZ. Here's the Colgate that I'm going to use in order to remove the scratch. Let's see if this actually works on it or not. Let me just show you the scratches on the bike. So. And let's see now if Colgate actually works on it. So first what you're going to do is that we're going to put water, put it on the area where there is scratch. Still slight scratches, yeah, but Colgate did do its work. It didn't remove the scratches, but it did remove the dirt which couldn't be removed from normal wash. Yeah, and now you know Colgate can't do anything, but it can only make your bike shine. It cannot remove scratches. It can only remove the dirt. Me to keep making such kind of videos, then please do subscribe to the channel. This is Revit Rishi signing off.